Ye- Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my channel. Over here, I only focus on the charts because the charts will save you. How do I know that? Because I do this full time. Okay. Actually, let me turn down my laptop because it's actually repeating what I'm saying. So, if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you are watching that replay, you can go to settings, hit speed 1.5 or 2. You can actually speed up the video. Okay. And you know, we're gonna look over XRP, Bitcoin, the whole crypto market. Look over some charts. We're gonna talk about, will these cryptos ever go to the highs again this year? And you know, pretty much talk about whatever you guys have in mind. So during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. So welcome guys to my live stream. Let me give you guys a round of applause. And let me pop out the question box. I don't know how many people is gonna show up today because it is the afternoon, but I'm doing a quick live stream and we're just gonna go over the market real quick. And of course, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. What's going on, Golden Arm, Flex, Eric? Thanks, guys, for stopping by. Fetch, Dom, what's going on, man? The regulars is here. So, guys, let's go over the crypto market real quick. I'm going to refresh this. We're just going to go over the crypto market real quick. All right, so what we have here is 210 with the market cap, and the Bitcoin dominance is still above 50, which tells me that the bulls is really not here. The volume is dropping right now. The coins are really not doing anything percentage wise. So back to the regular market. Okay, we just gotta wait until the market moves again. But let's look at some charts right quick. All right, we should start with Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin dropped a little bit today, and not too sure whether Bitcoin wants to continue to go back down or make a new you know, just make another high. I definitely expect Bitcoin to at least go up some more, but we might see some downside first. Okay, we might be stuck in another range. Okay, we might be stuck. You know how Bitcoin is. We get one good blast to the upside or downside, and then next thing you know, it's stuck for a week or two. So we might be stuck for another week. I'm drinking some water, so let me see. So right now, I don't see anything on the chart. I don't see anything on Bitcoin chart right now as we speak. It's just waiting time right now, guys. It's just waiting. And if we go to, actually, let me check out the 1 hour real quick. So the 1 hour is actually showing us a better picture. So a couple of things could happen with Bitcoin. We had this crazy drop right here. We could roll over, go back to the breakout, which is around 62. Maybe find some temporary support there, and then maybe drop back down, or we could start flagging out a little bit, go up higher. I don't know if they want to test these highs again, and we go from there. But right now, it just looks, honestly, it looks weak. Doesn't look bullish at all. But they might go back to test this breakout right here, which is 63, 62-ish. All right, so keep that in mind. but it could also flag out a little bit here and maybe go up to 65, 66. You know, we'll see. But let's see if you guys have any questions so far. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. If you feel like we are going to turn bullish this year, let me know. If you feel like the crypto market has, you know, have something, some type of hope, or the bulls is going to come back soon, let me know. State your reasons why. So let me see if I see any questions here before I keep going. What's going on, Crypto Agent? Shane, Big Dom, G Baker, Jimmy, Bobby, VIP. Oh, so let me see. Crypto Agent said, "Can you make your course $50? I'm in a third world country." Crypto Agent, right now my course is actually $210. So the original price is $210. So I don't know what you know, maybe some people get confused when I give that discount during the live stream. They get confused. They think that that 110 is the regular price. The regular price is 110. I mean the 210. So for me to drop this course all the way down to $50 is very hard for me to do that, because it doesn't make any sense. All right. So I'm quite sure if you have $50 right now, you can save up another $50. So that's the only thing I can tell you right now. Lord of the Boy said the bulls are hibernating. So what's good with Tether, guys? Did Tether crash? Let me look at Tether real quick. People were saying Tether went to 80 something cents or something like that. So Tether crashed today. Is Tether on TradingView? Let's see if Tether's on TradingView. I don't know. But they said that, is it true that Tether actually dropped? Was that today or yesterday? Let's go to these questions real quick. Flex said Tether is going to mess up crypto. Exactly. Randy said something's up with One Fox. Can you tell me, Randy, can you explain a little bit more? What exactly what's going on with One Fox? And guys, you know, if you guys have just watch out for these exchanges, okay? You don't want to have all your wealth into all these exchanges. You just want to have the money that you want to play with, and that's it. If you make profits, there's nothing wrong with withdrawing your profits. So let me see if you guys have any more questions. So Flex said today at 85 cents. So it dropped at 85 cents today. Well, that's crazy, guys. Okay. So the question of the day is, will cryptos ever turn, go bullish this year? Will cryptos turn bullish this year? And my answer is, I doubt it, because we've been going down the whole year. So why all of a sudden crypto is going to turn around the last month of the year? Really doesn't make any sense. So I definitely expect us to be bearish this whole year. If you have been following me for the longest, you know that I say this all the time. A bear market lasts for years. It just don't turn around in 6 months, because a lot of people thought that it was going to turn around in March. They thought that it was going to turn around in June, August, July. All these different months. September, now October. So if you look at the market itself, it's not screaming bulls at all. It's not screaming bullish. We got Tether. Tether looks like it's going to pop soon. I mean, Tether's just going up, down like crazy. Probably eventually this thing is going to pop. You got Bitcoin spiking up like it's nothing. And if you look at these other altcoins, they're not doing anything. Okay, so if you really know how to read the market, then you can see that most of these other coins really didn't go nowhere. Ethereum still looks weak. Could Ethereum pop up? Yes, but right now it still looks weak. These other coins looks weak. So Bitcoin to me is just a distraction. Litecoin looks weak. So overall, guys, this market still is weak. Bitcoin is the distraction right now, because Bitcoin keep on staying above. It keeps staying above what do you call that, the 6,000 level. These guys are keeping it above the 6,000 level. So that's what keeping a lot of people hopeful and thinking that the bulls is going to come. Habibi, you said when moon, probably a couple of years from now, or even more. Let me see here. TradeWalls said, why did Tether untether? Shout out to TradeWalls. I don't know, man. This market is shaky right now. It seems like something big is going to happen real soon. This is just the beginning. You can tell that something big is going to happen. Maybe we might see another big red candle. I don't know yet. But definitely this looks crazy. What's going on? The candles are getting bigger. So once the candles are getting bigger, that tells me that the big dogs are participating in the market, and they want to do something with this market. So I probably definitely expect something soon. Hopefully we can expect either this month. Yeah, so let's go with Randy. Let's see. Randy said there's a message on his site saying that they're taking a break and that all trades will settle in next. For real? And it says farewells. So Randy, are you on One Fox? Guys, please, I don't care what exchange it is. I don't care if it's BitMEX, Bitfinex, any exchange. I don't care what it is. Please do not have all your wealth on that exchange. If you have profits, take it out. Use the money that you're trading with. Because you have to remember, most people just don't understand that this market is unregulated and people could do whatever they want. You think Wall Street wants to come to a market like this that looks so shaky, people getting scammed every single day, unregulated? I mean, some people just don't use common sense. Let me see here. TradeWalls says, are you a day trader? Yes, TradeWalls. I'm a day trader. I day trade the futures market. You said Tesla's up 5.6 today. I didn't see that. That's what's up. But Tesla have been getting hit. So the people that have been shorting Tesla, I'm quite sure they've been making a lot of money on that. Randy, one broker is owned by one fox, so that's maybe why. So for real, one broker is owned by one fox? Wow, that's crazy. So Randy, let me ask you a question. Do you have an account with one fox? Tether is holding up the 6,000 level. Yeah, possibility. Possibility. MK Valley, what's going on? Dom said, forget the bull market. It won't come next year. Yeah, man. I mean, and it's funny because, you know, I kind of get why most people don't want to learn, because they did something bad. They did something that they didn't really educate themselves in the beginning, and they messed up. Okay, and how they messed up was they actually went all in one coin. So they bought either Tron TRX or XRP. They went all in. So when you tell them something about a bear market, automatically these guys get upset because they went all in. They did something bad. And, you know, at the end of the day, you have to be honest with yourself and learn from your mistakes. You have to learn how the market works. You have to learn how the market works. It's funny because the market the market is very tricky, right? It will make you believe that you know what you are doing. Okay, so it will make you win. The market will give you profits for a year or two, right? And then all of a sudden, boom, it will change on you. And most people can't adapt because they thought they thought that they knew how the market operated and how to make profits from the market. They thought they had everything figured out, but now they figured out they don't. So the market will always humble you and always will let you know that you don't know nothing. Okay, the market is always right, guys. This is why I never go against the market, because the market is always right. The market is never wrong. Okay, so why would I try to fight the market that's always right? Okay, I would never fight the market that's always right. Right now the market is bearish, is right, it's telling me that it's bearish, and guess what? I'm not fighting it. I'm going with the trend. The trend is down, so I'm shorting every rally. Boom, 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 making that money. But most people, when they came in this market, most people are lazy. They saw dollar signs, which honestly, guys, I don't blame you guys. Okay, I don't blame you if you came in this market in the beginning and you saw dollar signs and you just, you know, you saw that you was gonna make $1 million overnight. I don't blame you guys. I don't blame you guys for you know, going crazy like that. But At the same time, this is a business, and you have to educate yourself. You have to realize this is not a video game, and you really have to study the markets. Okay, you really have to study the markets, because if you don't, you're going to get wrecked. You see it. You see it this year. Okay, you see it this year with the buy and hold people that are lazy, too lazy to do research on how the market works. All they want to do research is on a coin. Okay, the coin is only a small percentage of what really matters in the market. Okay, so the market will trick you guys. It will trick you. It will give you. It will definitely give you treats, right? It will treat you to, you know, some profits. It will make you have. It will make you believe that you know what you're doing, until until it turns on you. Okay, most people don't know how to adapt, and that's why they're using the same strategy that they used in 2017, and now they are getting wrecked. They are buying every little dip, hoping that the market will go up. Every time they see a green bar, they praying and hoping, man, I hope this is it. So, guys, it's all about learning. It's all about learning. All right. Let me see here. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Type in your questions. Going to make this live stream not too long, so type in your questions, guys. And also, if you don't have my course by now, check it out. If you don't have my course by now, check it out. It will help you navigate through these markets. It will help you make money in a bear market. Your favorite YouTuber, I can probably almost guarantee you, he don't know how to make money in the bear market. All he knows how to do is read the news, tell you everything is going to be okay, and that's it. All right. If you're tired of these YouTubers lying to you, telling you everything's going to be okay, and every single month the market is going down, if you're tired of that, definitely check this out, because it comes with a Discord, and you can chat with me and my students. Let me see here. So I'm reading these questions, guys. Randy said, yes, I just took all my money out, and now I have no live trading account. Okay. Well, that's good that you took your money out. I'm glad. Let me ask you a question. Did you take it out before they made that announcement, or after? Craig Hans, what's going on, Craig? Dom said, can you please answer my question? What question, Dom? I don't see no question at all. All I see is forget the bull market. And let me see. At Ben, am I being dumb, or there's a chance of a setup on XRP going long on a 1 hour? Oh, you talking about this flag pattern? That's a decent long. But me personally, I'm not. These market conditions. I mean, you can definitely. Of course, I'm not giving I'm not giving financial advice, but you know, if you want to take that long, you can go ahead. I just don't trust these market conditions to go long right now. But like I said, if you want to do it, go ahead. Don't let me persuade you. But overall, yes, that's a long setup. That's a good setup for a long. Yes. All right, so let me see here. I'm trying to read these questions real quick, guys. Crypto, who was that? Crypto Twins. Crypto Twins clowning technical analysis. Yeah, you know, it is what it is. Most people that's lazy, that they don't want to do the work. Of course they're gonna clown something that they don't know about. John said, "Can I buy at 110 during the feed?" John, I just gave. I know I'm late to your question, but I just gave what do you call that? I just gave that discount to you and anybody else. So John, let me know when you get it, because when you get this, I want to make sure you have my email address so I can send you that Discord room, okay? So if you don't have that link, I'm gonna post it one more time. So let me know. I'm gonna do these questions real quick. Where can I go study more, such as chart and technical analysis recommend? Pete, right here. This is it, guys. I come on this live stream all the time. This is it. That's all I do is charts. This is what I do full time. If you guys don't know, if you just look at my the bottom of my screen, okay, it says 11 years. That's not a joke. 11 years I've been in this game. Okay, this is what I do full time. All right, so this course right here will show you everything that you need to know to navigate through this bear market and make money right now. Most people are sitting waiting, thinking that their favorite coin is going to the moon. Okay, what happened to Bitcoin going to 50K, guys? What happened to Bitcoin going to 50K this year? Okay, and the only reason why you got tricked, guys, the only reason why you got tricked this year, thinking that Bitcoin was going to 50K, is because you didn't know how to read the markets. If you knew how to read the markets, you would just look at the chart itself and say, man, 50K? These guys are kidding me? This thing looks like it's ready to break out to the downside any moment. What's going on, Michelle? You said, what does my course cover? Basically, if you just go there, it tells you everything. Okay, it covers everything. I'll show you the market cycles. I show you how to identify a trend, arrange your market downtrend, how to enter, how to exit, where to put your stop loss. I'll talk about how to build wealth, 6 levels of investors, how to read a chart properly, how to draw trend lines, etc., etc. Basically, it's the whole works, and it also comes with a Discord room. Okay, it comes with a Discord room. So if you have any questions, guess what? Boom, you can ask all your questions in the Discord. Let me see here. TradeWalls said 210. That's not a good deal for a course. That's a good. That's a good deal for a course. Yes, I mean, right now it's 110. TradeWalls, because you on a live stream. So during the live stream, I give that discount. Okay, so once I get off this live stream today, it goes right back to 210. And yes, it's not a bad deal because I have testimonials to back up everything I'm saying. Okay, if you read the testimonials, I have people that made over 15 grand, 20 grand, 13 grand. Okay, let me see here. Johnny said, for me, this is a long-term investment. If XRP hits 5 in 2 years, I'm happy. So let me ask you this, Johnny. Okay, thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. Okay, because the reason why I want to ask you this, because what you just said, most people think like that. Okay, most people think like that. Okay, and what I'm trying to do, Okay, it's very hard for me to do it. It's very hard, but I'm trying. What I'm trying to do is basically help people get out of the mindset, get out that rely on people mindset. Okay, when you buying on and hold, you're relying on people. You're relying on the news. You're relying on the company. You're relying on everything. Okay. I'm trying to get you guys out of that mindset of relying on people. But also, let me ask you this. Okay. You said that XRP is a long-term hold for you, and if it hit 5 in 2 years, I'm happy. So let me ask you this: what if in 2 years XRP is at 25 cents? Actually, let me go even let me just a step further. Okay, what if XRP is at 10 cents 5 years from now or 6 years from now? What's now? What is on your how can you recover for that? Okay, because most people when they come on a live stream and they talk about how this is a long-term investment, hodl. Fine, if you I don't have nothing against long-term investments, but over here on my stream and on my on my channel, what I'm trying to do is develop. I'm trying to develop entrepreneurs and full-time investors, traders. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. Let me see here. I took out when I saw the announcement. Okay, all right, that's what's up, man. I'm glad you took out your money, and I'm glad that you got to withdraw your money. Dom said, I'm not trading any crypto right now. Just wanted to know if it's a good setup. All right, that's what's up. John said, I got it. So, John, you got the course? Let me make sure I'm hearing you right. Did you get the course, John? Forex Hangout said, is this Hangout? I'm sorry. Forex Hangout said, is this a video course? Yes. Okay. That's all I deal with is video. It's not a PDF. It's not a PDF where you got to read. It's all videos. Okay, all videos, and it's a good product because it talks about the bear market and the bull market. So how to make money from a bear and a bull market. Okay, most people only know how to make money when the market goes up. I told you guys all the time, if you really know how to make money in a bear market, you know how good you're gonna be in a bull market. You know how much money, how more. Like, people don't understand. Like, you can make more money in a bull market when you know what you're doing. Most people in the bull market, all they do is buy, guys. That's it. They think that's all to it. No, it's actually more to it. You can actually make more money by doing other stuff other than buy. Okay. Let me see here. You said the partners are on Ripple technology never use XRP. So I'm trying to figure that out. Okay, so you said they never used XRP. So what does that mean? Does that mean that's good or is that good or not? I don't know. But who I was talking to someone. Let me see who that was, because I don't want you guys to run out. Johnny. Okay, Johnny, I don't want you to disappear. I want to have a decent conversation with you. Okay, Johnny, because I said something that is very important for a lot of investors to know. Okay, I don't want you to run from the question. So if you forgot the question I asked you, okay, what if XRP is at 10 cents 5 or 6 years from now? Swazzer says, sorry I'm late. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot. So shout out to John, guys. John got the course. Let me give him a round of applause. Shout out to John, guys. He got the course. He's part of the community. So John, what I want you to do right now, I'm going to type in my email address. So what I want you to do right now is basically email me. All right. I just put my email address right there. I want you to email me. And once you email me, I'm going to give you that Discord room so you can just hang out with us. There's a good group in that Discord room. So definitely email me as soon as you get time or have time or whatever. Indian Vibes, what's going on? Yeah, so right now, guys, this market right now with Bitcoin is hard to figure out what it's trying to do. What I want right now is it's consolidating right now, so I want it to break out of the consolidation, show us what it's trying to do next, and then we can see if this thing is trying to test the highs again or go back down. But overall, this looks weak. I'm trying to figure out, do they want to keep this above 6,000, you know, for the whole year, which is possible. It's possible. But overall, guys, it's very hard for me to see the market just shoot up from here, and the whales know that there's so many stops below this. The whales know that there's so many stops below the 56 to 57 level. That's honestly, guys, that's that type of money. I don't really see them just shying away from that type of money. These guys are known for taking out stops, so I believe they will take out those stops. What's going on, Adam? Johnny said, very interesting, but I'm a noob. Maybe I will trade away my coins. Okay, I hear you. Yeah, I'm not picking on you, Johnny. I'm just trying to understand, you know, how you're thinking right now, because you have to understand most people think like that. Okay, most people think like that. Like even XRP, when I try to you know, talk to people that, you know, hodl, that's all they do. And I tell them, like, yo, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with hodling, okay? But at the same time, the way I learn from the rich, okay? And the rich, they have multiple strategies, okay? So if you want to hodl, if you believe in a coin and you want to buy it, fine. But you should at least have another strategy on the side that allows you to make money consistently month after month, okay? Because we don't know if your investment, your long-term investment, will work out. So, you know, it sucks buying a coin or a stock and seeing that stock 15 years from now go nowhere. It sucks. That's 15 years that you can't get back at all. Most people don't think like that. They just fall for the hype. All right. So I'm just trying to help people on my live stream not fall for the hype, and I try to help people you know, study the market, you know, because most people just want to buy and be lazy. Like, no, guys, put in work. Okay, put in work. There's nothing wrong with putting in work, especially if this can actually replace your job. All right, most people just want to be lazy. No. So over here, I'm talking another language because most people just want to buy and become millionaires overnight. I'm telling you, no. Stop thinking like that, because it doesn't work like that. All right, so I'm about to get out of here soon. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. And for all y'all moon boys, for all y'all moon boys, man, these moon boys is funny because you can tell that they don't know anything about the market. They swear up and down that every time the market goes up, someone get wrecked. You know, someone gets wrecked. Okay. First of all, if you are a professional trader, you're not going to get wrecked if the market goes up. Okay. If you're short in the market and it goes up, it's just a loss. Okay. It's just a loss. It's part of the game. You're not going to get wrecked. Only people that get wrecked in the bear market, that when the market goes up, is the people that don't have a stop loss, number one, and the people that's risking too much per trade. Okay, those are only people that get wrecked. But if you are a professional that knows how to trade the market, you don't risk a lot per trade, and you have your proper stop loss in place, you're not gonna get wrecked. Okay, who cares if you take a loss? I take losses every single day when I day trade. Okay, this is why most people can't become professional traders or investors, because they look at the market as winners and losers. Okay, I don't care about losing, because I can lose and still come out profitable. Okay, I know that sounds weird, but I can still come out on top, even with losing. Okay, if you know how to play the market right. So that's why I shake my head that most people in this market, they don't know how it works. So every time the market goes up, they think somebody getting wrecked, getting hit, getting smacked. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm about to get out of here soon. But right now, it's very hard for me to see this market turn bullish, especially when the market just spiked up one candle and it shot right back down. And of course, Tether is acting crazy right now. 1 minute is up, 1 minute is down. So I don't know. This might turn ugly. But Bitcoin dominance is still up. It's not going down. So all these signs that I'm pointing out right now is just telling us that this market is still shaky. All right, it's still shaky. A lot of people are waiting for November. I don't know why. I mean, guys, November, that's what you're waiting for. So let me see here. Let me see if any questions before I get out of here. Golden Horse showed them HMY. Bitcoin can do the same thing. Let's see. I know HMY. Yes. I didn't look at that chart lately, but yes, HMY is a stock that just dropped, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Does this look familiar, guys? Does this pattern look familiar? All right. These patterns that you see like this, these are called boom and bust patterns. Okay. A lot of these patterns take a long time before it decides to go back up. That's why I shake my head when most people think that the bull market is next month or 2019. Guys, it takes time. A lot of energy. Okay. This is a boom and bust. Okay, let's look at XRP. And let's see if that looks similar to the XRP. Whoa, look at that. Boom, bust. So it takes time, guys. It takes time for all this stuff to heal out. Okay. And while you're waiting for that bull market, you can take advantage of these swings in the market. That's all I'm saying. TradeWalls said that it could be a good deal. Paid $1,500 for my first course back in the day. Yes. So most people don't understand how much people are charging in this crypto space. And when I charge this, I just shake my head when, you know. But I should be coming out with a day trading course soon. And definitely it's not going to be 110. I'll tell you that much. I will buy your course soon, but so many. No problem. XRP. I mean XRP. I'm saying X. Yes, XRP. I'm bugging out. Short or long. Right now, I'm not long in anything, and I'm not short in anything right now. Okay, I don't see a short. I see a long setup right now on XRP, but I don't know if it has a lot of legs for it to go anywhere. It might just be a short little pop and go right back down. So me personally, I'm not doing anything right now. TJ, I just told you the thoughts. What's going on, Lord of the Boards? If you want to go to the moon, you first have to know where the moon is. So when you cash out, you can buy and hold. How do you know when we are on the moon? Exactly. Adam, why is Tether moving? I thought it was supposed to be stable. I know, right? Tell me about it. I think something is cooking up. I think something crazy is gonna happen real soon, because yes, that's definitely not normal. So Tether right now is supposed to be stable, but it's moving. So that's not a good sign. It's not at all. And just be careful, guys. Just be careful, because this thing could fall apart anytime soon. Oh, shout out to Swazzer. He gave me that super chat, $5 euro. Let me give him that round of applause. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. That's $5 super chat. Keeping it real, showing my support for the Ben and the crew. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Any thoughts, G Baker, on the 0x coin that just added to Coinbase? Nah, I don't have any thoughts. I never looked into it before. I don't have any thoughts about nothing right now in the bear market. You said, Habibi, probably 6 or more. 6 and up, or 7 and up. Golden Arm, Elon Musk going to moon, maybe. He can take a cab with XRP. Yeah, man, I know. That's 5 pounds. Yes, I know. 5 pounds. Shout out to Swazza again. Swazza said, I had a message of a friend earlier today. He was sending me a message about XRP news. I sent him your video on YouTube and I said watch it before he spends another penny. So thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Habibi said, okay, sounds good. It will release soon. Yeah, hopefully I'll definitely release it real soon. It's going to be a class though. It's not going to be like a regular course. So it's going to be a class where it's going to be like a private live stream where I teach you guys. All right. So did you see crypto twins hating on technical analysis? Nah, I didn't see it yet. I think I saw someone posted on a Discord, but I didn't watch the video yet. But you know, it is what it is. I mean, how can you take them serious when, you know, these guys are this, you know, it's just entertainment, you know, with those guys. They guys are comedians, and so you know for a fact they're not doing this full time. So, but at the same time, they are funny. I ain't gonna front, the crypto twins are funny. Alrighty. Uh, 6.2, bro. People are starting to listen to you, man. I don't know, Dom. I hope so. We'll see. I'll launch crypto trends just for a laugh and you enjoy it. Yeah, they definitely funny, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. I can't really hate on those dudes. They funny. Actually, the first time I saw them, I think they have a fitness YouTube account. That's the first time I saw them. I'm saw those guys before they had their crypto account. They was in fitness. I think they still do their fitness YouTube channel. Let me see. What course you're talking about? You talking about this course right here? Pete, are you talking about this course? Golden Arm said, I think Crypto Twins got your course. Why you said that? Yeah, this course tells you the exchange, but right now, are you living in the United States? If you live in the United States, there's only a few exchanges you can use, and some people use a VPN for BitMax. So it's different, you know, it's different ways to go about it. Texas, okay, yes. So, yeah, it's a couple of exchanges that accept U.S. clients. Now they definitely getting stricter, right? And so you just got to make sure that you sign in before most of these exchanges don't accept U.S. clients. What about for day trading? Well, my day trading course is going to be about the futures. Okay, it's going to be about the futures market. I'm going to talk a little bit about Forex too and the stock market, but it's mainly going to be about the futures market. And yes, that I would tell you, you know, what platform to use. That's no problem because you can actually use a U.S. broker for, you know, the futures and the Forex and all that stuff. But for the crypto, man, you know, crypto, especially if you want to go short, these guys, especially, you know, United States is hating right now. They don't want you to make this money. Shout out to Golden Arm giving me that $10 super chat. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Let me read what he said. Big Ben and his students going to the moon. Going to the moon. Let me see if I have a moon button. I don't know if I have a moon button. Shout out to nah, I don't think I see the moon. Let me see the moon.
Oh, the moon.
Moon man. Moon scream.
Ah!
Nah, I don't see a decent moon button. But shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. You can make an account on BitMEX if you live in the United States. Just use a VPN and make an account. Yes, TradeWalls, yes. So TradeWalls said if you live in the United States, you can make an account on BitMEX. You just have to use a VPN. Yes, some of my students actually use VPNs. You said what will pump soon? Ian, what is that? Adam. Yes, TradeWalls said I don't recommend you using 5+ leverage if you're new. Yes, exactly. So turn down your leverage, guys. Turn it down. What is that? A crypto? What's Iron? Is it crypto or that's a stock? I mean, what's going on with, what's this? You said this is a bull flag? I don't know. You said on a daily chart? Let's look on a daily chart. You see a flag? I don't see a flag on a daily chart. I mean, anything is possible. It can move up, but I don't see a flag. Okay. I definitely don't see a flag at all. But guys, I mean, you know, trying to pick the bottom. I mean, look at this thing. This thing just dropped like crazy. So picking the bottom, guys, is probably the worst strategy in the world. Period. Period. Fesh said Little Pump recently released a mumble rap song about Crypto R Us. Told me, oh, you said rap song, and Crypto R Us told me that's the reason why the stock market is dropping. Fesh is a clown, man. Yeah, Crypto R Us. You know, I guess he has more research to do. All right, so guys, I'm about to get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions, though. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. Let me see if you guys have any more questions, I'll give you guys two more minutes, 3 more minutes. But you know, I don't think this market will turn bullish this year, so just be prepared for that. And just wait it out, or right now is the best time to learn how the market works. Okay, right now is the best time to learn how the market works. So let me read a couple more questions so I get out of here. And shout out to John again. Thanks a lot, John, for getting the course. I will email you if I will reply if you email me already. Make sure that you send me an email. And Pete said, when's the next live round, Big Ben? Let me see. I don't know. I'm hoping maybe tomorrow. If it's gonna be tomorrow, it's probably gonna be around 8 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, probably around 8 p.m. Eastern time. So that's probably the next time. Pete, shout out to Pete. Thanks a lot for you know, stopping by. AZ said, "No, I know I'm late. What's good, Ben?" Yeah, I know. It's good. It's all good. Swazzer said, "Crypto Russ, we love that guy so much." Fest said, for real though, buy his course. You will not be disappointed, man. Thanks a lot, Fetch. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for supporting this channel, guys. I want to give everybody a round of applause. The people that have been with me since day one, and you know, for a long time. Thanks a lot for sticking by, and I appreciate it. And thanks a lot for supporting the channel. I'm about to get out of here. I see you guys in that Discord room. I will see you guys in the Discord. And you said look at XRP BTC daily chart. Looks the same. XRP BTC. Yeah. So guys, I'm about to get out of here. Adam said get the course if it's a gift for 100, 200, or 500. So shout out to Adam, man. Adam, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Shout out to everybody though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Again, shout out to all the people that super chats. Golden Arm, Swazzer. Thanks a lot, guys, for those super chats. Shout out to everybody else that's in this live stream today. I appreciate it for you guys for stopping by. And I will see you guys in that Discord room, okay? Talk to you guys later. And make sure you have a great day. Make sure you study the charts and improve, okay? It's all about improving, guys. Talk to you later and have a great day.